Ever wondered how to make the perfect Cajun chicken wings at home? Well, here's a foolproof recipe that's bound to impress. First off, you'll need 2 pounds of chicken wings with the tips removed and drumettes and flats separated. Now, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. To start, pat the wings dry with paper towels. This little trick gives the skin that ideal crispiness. Once they're dry, place the wings in a large bowl, drizzle them with a tablespoon of olive oil, and give them a good toss to ensure an even coat. Next, take a small bowl and mix together 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle this spice mix over the wings and again toss until they're evenly coated with the seasoning. Now arrange the wings in a single layer on a baking rack set over a baking sheet lined with foil. This will make cleanup a breeze later on. Bake these in the preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the wings are golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove them from the oven and let them rest for 5 minutes before serving. But what's a good batch of Cajun chicken wings without a delicious dipping sauce? Here's how to whip up a sweet and spicy Cajun dipping sauce. In a bowl, combine half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Whisk these together until they're smooth and thoroughly combined. Taste and adjust the seasoning or heat level as per your preference. For the best flavor, chill this sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. And there you have it, crispy Cajun wings with a sweet and spicy dipping sauce ready to be enjoyed. This homemade Cajun feast is sure to please everyone. Please like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more great recipes.